Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, do well to like, and also please stay to the end of this video to comment what topic you'd love me to talk about in my next video. Today we're talking about five things that makes someone a narcissist. So if you see any of these signs in you or some other person, then they are narcissists. So if you want to, break free from being a narcissist, please stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be telling you things to do, right, to break free from being a narcissist. The first item on the list is sense of entitlement. Sense of entitlement. So a narcissist believes or feel like you should be doing what they want you to do, right? You should act in a certain way, exactly how they want you to act. They want you to do what they tell you to do, right? And if you do not do that, right, you don't want to see the other side of them, right? A narcissist does not care about your feelings. Narcissist believes that you should be doing what they want you to do. You should act how they want you to act. And most times they don't even care if it's in alignment with what you want to do. They don't care. If you do not do or act in a certain way, exactly how they want you to act or behave, right, it's not going to be good. It's not going to be good. Number two is that they take advantage of you, right? They will take advantage of you to their own benefits. As long as it benefits them, oh, they will use you. They will use you, and when they are done using you, they'll trash you. That's what a narcissist does, right? They will use you to take advantage of you. They will keep doing it and keep doing it. They will use it till you are drained. They will literally drain you, right? They don't care about your feelings. As long as it's beneficial to them, they will use you to take advantage of you. Number three, they lack empathy. They don't care how you feel. They don't care what you feel. They don't care, the situation that makes you feel what you feel, right? They lack empathy. Simply put, they don't care. They do not care about you. Excessive admiration. They want you to admire them all the time, right? And by this, they tend to lie more. They tend to exaggerate things just to, to make you be in awe and be like, wow, oh my gosh. Like, they want to be like he's a god. They want to be like a god. They want you to admire them. And this admiration is not even about physical, beauty or whatever. No, it's not even about the physical, right? It's about what they do. They want you to be like a fan. You should admire them. Even worse than a fan. You should admire them and see them, put them up there, right? That's what they do. Number five. Okay. Number five, they feel like they are the next big thing. They literally think they are God, right? So they don't give a about you, about your life, your feelings whatsoever. And they also think everyone is envious of them, while low-key, they're actually the ones that are envious of others. And when they are envious of you, they tend to, give you a certain kind of vibe, give you a certain kind of attitude, give you a certain kind of behavior, right? So watch out. These are the five things that a narcissist tends to do. So watch out if you're exhibiting these five signs, or you know someone that is exhibiting these five signs, do well to reach out to them. The good thing is, being a narcissist is not something that is permanent. It's something you can break free from. It's something you can work on if you want to, right? You can change this signs that you're exhibiting by working on yourself. Firstly, you have to be empathetic. say sorry when you're wrong. Listen more instead of talking. Don't always want to be the center of attraction. Don't always want to be the one everybody should be listening to, everybody should be doing what you want, right? Listen more, right? And talk less. Apologize when you're wrong. Remind yourself that the world does not revolve around you, and that's fine. That is absolutely fine. That's good. Peace, right, actually grows when you let go of control. So if you see any of these signs in yourself or somebody close to you or someone out there, please do it to share this video, right? Let them listen and learn. And if this video has helped you in any way, please do well to comment, do well to like, and do well to please subscribe to this channel. And whatever topic you want me to talk about in my next video, please do well to drop in the comment section, and I'll do well to talk about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.